Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so begin now. Open Google Drive or Forms. Google. Com in your mobile browser and tap New right arrow Google Forms or start a blank form. Add a clear title and exam instructions so students know timing and rules. Once done, open Settings and enable Quiz to assign points and allow automatic grading for objective questions. Make sure you select whether grades release immediately or later. This early choice saves time when you add questions and prevents rework during delivery. Next, add your questions one by one. Choose the appropriate type, multiple choice for auto-grading, short answer for written responses. Set correct answers and points for each auto-graded item. For open responses, mark them for manual review. Use sections to break the exam into parts and control navigation so students can't skip ahead. Also enable required on important questions and add response validation for numeric ranges or word limits. These steps ensure fairness and make grading. Finish by previewing the exam on your phone and taking it quickly to confirm scoring, required fields, and section flow. When it looks right, tap Send. Copy link, email, or share to a class. Set limit to one response and choose whether sign-in is required. After responses come in, open responses and export to Google Sheets for analysis. If students can't access the exam, make sure you didn't enable domain restriction or require an account they don't have. Test link in an incognito window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.